All right, so today's dilemma. Motor's in, alternator is the dilemma. So my boy picked up 2-pin, 1-wire. Well, we need a resistor. So we're gonna make our own version of it. He's too impatient to wait on Amazon for 3 days. Let's see what happens.
My grandfather made this for the battery cables.
For the battery cables. Piece of history, folks. Piece of history.
Cuban engineering.
All right, so this is kind of what we're going for here because we're gonna try to solder a resistor into the wire. First time soldering. Wow, let me tell you. People think shit is just easy because you watch it on YouTube. It's not. You gotta like develop the skill. So we're gonna try it again because now we need to connect the other part of the wire to the resistor. Hopefully it won't take us another 22 minutes. Hold on. We got the alternator wire done. Partner in crime over here is finishing the wire up on it. We got it plugged in right here. Alternator wire picked out with resistance added to it. And then we got all the wiring added to the back. This took us roughly about 4 hours all in. Keep in mind, we paused, right? Did some YouTube, had lunch, the water. It's ready to go.